How to add a calendar widget to your Android phone's home screen. This lets you quickly view your calendar and upcoming events without opening the calendar app. Let's get started. First, go to your home screen and touch and hold an empty area of the screen. A menu will appear. Tap Widgets. Now, scroll through the available widgets or use the search option to find Calendar. Depending on the apps installed on your phone, you may see a Calendar or Google Calendar widget. Tap the Calendar option to view the available widget styles. Choose the one you want, then touch or tap to hold it and drag it onto your home screen. You can now position the Calendar widget wherever you want. If the widget supports resizing, touch and hold it, then drag the edges to make it larger or smaller. Once you're happy with the position, simply tap anywhere outside the widget. And that's it! You've successfully added a calendar widget to your Android home screen, giving you quick access to your dates and upcoming events. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple Android tips and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.